2026 Ram 1500 3.0 liter Hurricane i6 is what we got done on it. It's got stock converters up there, stuffed up way up there, true duals out and singles in. All the way back. And what we did is a muffler delete right there, as you guys can see, with a Y pipe, and kept his stock resonators in the rear right there into his stock tips. He bought it on Friday, brought it to us on Monday. That is my kind of customer right there. This one right here is the big muffler that we cut off. If you guys like it, and you like the sound, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, guys, thank you so much. 2026 Ram 1500 3.0 liter Hurricane inline 6. What we got done on it, stock converters right there and right there. Duals out. And what we did earlier in the week was a muffler delete right here, as you guys can see, with a Y pipe. He said it wasn't loud enough for him, so we went ahead and deleted the rear resonators as well, right there and right there, and installed them some fat 5-inch black tips right there. Beautiful. There's a resonator delete and the muffler delete right there. There's the old resonators that we cut off of it and the tips. All right, guys, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ram Hurricane 2026. Go ahead. Sound of it idle. 74, 75. Go and rev it. Your sound decibels? More? About 96. Not bad. Alright, go and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust right here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you have any questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244 and get your Ram Hurricanes done. Actually it's pretty quiet still, even with the muffler delete. Barely hear it. Wow. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Alright, good. Better start so far. Sound decibels? Right about 101. Not bad. Better than before. I like this better. The turbo's playing it down a lot. Alright, go and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust right here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you guys have any questions or concerns, give us a call at 615-612-6244. Brand new 2026 Ram Hurricane. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's a little windy today. Sounds really good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. drive off. That was really good. Enjoy, guys. 2026 Ram Hurricane. Beautiful truck. Beautiful.